Today I'm going to be hanging a shelf in my office. It's a disaster right now. I'm trying to reorganize the whole area. But while I was reorganizing, I noticed that the shelf, I ended up mounting these pieces into the drywall with 4 drywall studs, and it wasn't enough. This side started sagging down, and the only one over here that is in a stud is completely fine, so I'm going to go ahead and relocate these. As you can see right here in the wall, it's still wet, but kind of impatient right now. I'm running low on time, so I'm going to go ahead and paint that later. So these right here, I use them for random things around the house. Gives it like a nice rustic look to it. I use them for my computer desk legs and to hang the shelf here. I've used them before in my bar room to hang random things as well. But it's just an end piece right here that screws in, and you can hang that into the wall. I have a 12-inch by, or half-inch by 12-inch steel rod here, or steel pipe, and with an end cap. So I'm going to go ahead, and this will probably be time-lapsed or sped up, but I'll go ahead and find out where the stud is and mount this in there, make sure it's level. I plan on using a 2x4 to get it all the way across and level, and of course a level with it. So yeah, let's begin. The moment I realized there was a stud where I was trying to mount a drywall anchor. The board is warped a little bit. That'll be taken care of here in a second. So you got 1/2-inch pipe hangers and 1-inch screw. Just going to mount it in there so the board can't warp. Alright, there we go. Nice shelf mounted into the studs. You can jump on that.